Sleeping in the outdoors doesn't mean you have to be uncomfortable. I'm Brittany with WTI, and these are the ZOOBELIVES Inflatable Camping Sleeping Pads. And they were sorely needed on our backpacking trip on Mount Whitney. Even though these are thick mats, they are very compact and easy to pack up. If you just have a portable pump, they pump up so fast, and you can just see the thick quality. I love this aqua color. You can also get them in multiple colors. We got aqua and orange. You can pump by hand or by foot, and all the mats connect with buttons. This was so convenient for my husband and I to be able to sleep next to each other in the tent. These were so easy to pack and were equally easy to put away. It was the most comfortable I had ever been while camping. My back felt great. I just absolutely loved these. They were perfect on our backpacking trip, and I highly recommend them. They are beautiful, they're comfortable, and I love them. But that's just my point of view.